Welcome back to English Conversation Hub. In today's video, you'll hear a realistic, everyday English conversation between two strangers on a train. This dialogue is packed with common phrases, polite small talk, and natural expressions used by native speakers. Perfect for learners who want to improve their listening skills, vocabulary, and confidence in real-life situations. So let's start. Mind if I sit here? No, not at all. Go ahead, thanks. Busy day. Yeah, just wrapped up a long shift. Heading home. You? On my way to visit my sister. Haven't seen her in months, so kind of excited. That's nice. You live around here? Yeah, a couple of stops down the road. Been here for about 3 years now. I'm actually from out of town. Came in for a short break. I'm from Portland. Oh, cool. I've never been, but I've heard Portland is beautiful. It is, especially during spring. Great coffee too, if you're into that. Big time. Coffee's basically a necessity with my schedule. Haha, I hear that. What do? I'm a software engineer. It gets exhausting, but it's rewarding. That's impressive. Takes a lot of patience and heart for that kind of work. Thanks, I appreciate that. What about you? What do you do? I'm a freelance graphic designer. Mostly work from home, but I travel when I get stuck creatively. Sounds interesting. Must be nice to have that kind of flexibility. It is, but it has its own challenges. Deadlines don't care if you've got creative block. Fair enough. So, how long's your ride today? About an hour more. You? Not too long, just 15 more minutes. Honestly, this conversation is making it go by faster. Same here. It's always nice meeting new people and having a good chat. Definitely. By the way, I didn't catch your name. Oh, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Josh. Nice to meet you too, Josh. Maybe we'll bump into each other again sometime. Hope so. Safe travels and enjoy your visit. Thanks. And take care on your shift tonight. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more engaging conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and take care.